Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you learn data analysis for beginners. We'll start by defining what data analysis is and why it's a valuable skill in today's world. Data analysis is essentially the process of examining raw data to find trends and draw conclusions. It's crucial for making smart decisions in almost every industry. Understanding the basics, like data collection and interpretation, sets a strong foundation for your journey into this exciting field. Next, let's explore the key tools and skills you'll need. Start with spreadsheet programs, as they are incredibly versatile for initial data handling. Then, move on to SQL, which is vital for working with larger datasets. For more complex tasks, programming languages like Python or R are indispensable. Don't forget to build a solid grasp of statistics and how to visually present your findings clearly and effectively. Practical application is crucial for learning data analysis. Seek out publicly available datasets and start experimenting with them. Building small projects, even simple ones, helps solidify your understanding and shows potential employers what you can do. A strong portfolio demonstrating your analytical skills is invaluable. Many online platforms offer structured courses that can guide you through the learning process step by step, often for a reasonable fee. Finally, remember that data analysis is a field of continuous growth. Always strive to stay updated with the latest tools and methodologies. Networking with other professionals can open doors to new insights and career paths. As you gain experience, you might choose to specialize in areas like machine learning or business intelligence. Exploring advanced topics, such as big data technologies, will further enhance your expertise and career prospects in this dynamic field.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.